Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite salad recipes, and this one is great year-round. We'll be making my roasted beet and creamy burrata salad. This salad has so many incredible flavors going for it. You have the earthy beets combined with the creamy burrata cheese, refreshing citrus, crunchy pistachios, all served over a bed of arugula and thinly shaved fennel, dressed with a zesty homemade vinaigrette dressing. You are going to love all the flavors here. Plus, it pairs really well with some roasted chicken or grilled steak on the side. Don't forget to head on down into the video description box for all the recipe details up on my website. And now let me show you how to make this delicious salad. For today's recipe, we're going to start by roasting our beets. You can also use store-bought roasted beets like from Costco or any other grocery store and use them in this recipe. But if you want to make your own, I'm going to show you how to do it. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to need 2 medium-sized beets for today's recipe. Start by placing your beets on 2 separate sheets of foil. Add a drizzle of olive oil. Make sure to wash your beets beforehand too. And I'm leaving the peel on. Season these with a little bit of sea salt. And then wrap them up tightly. Place them into a baking dish. Roast the beets at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until they are fork tender. That could take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes depending on the size of your beets. Once they're done baking, take them out of the oven, unwrap them from the foil, let them cool down, and then use them in the salad. While we're waiting for our beets to roast, we can get started on our other ingredients. We'll need 1 bulb of fennel, and I'm going to cut off these green stems and save them for later. I'm going to set my mandolin slicer to the thinnest setting that I have. I'm going to use the little protector, the hand shield. We're going to shave our fennel really finely, and I feel like that's the key to making sure that it tastes really great in the salad. Next, let's work on our citrus. I'm using blood oranges today, but you can also use regular oranges for this recipe. Next, we'll make our salad dressing, and this is a really great component of the recipe that you can make ahead of time. You can even make it a day or 2 ahead of time and just keep it stored in the fridge. We're going to start with zest of 1 large lemon, and this is going to add so much incredible flavor to the salad dressing. Zest the lemon and then add that zest into a large measuring cup. Next, cut that lemon in half, and we're going to squeeze out the lemon juice. We need a 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I'll take about 2 lemons. Next, we'll add in a good quality extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cup of the oil. Next, use your zester to grate in 2 garlic cloves. I love having lots of garlic in my dressing. It just adds so much incredible flavor. Add in 1/2 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, 1/2 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, about 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, ground black pepper. I also love to add some fresh thyme. Just pull that right off the stems and drop it in. You can add anywhere from a teaspoon to 1/2 tablespoon. And that's it for the salad dressing. Just give it a really good mix and it's ready to go. Once your roasted beets have cooled, you want to remove the peel, cut them in half, and then we're going to slice them into wedges. And now it's time to put this salad together. I'm going to be arranging it on a large serving platter today. You could also just toss everything together into a large salad bowl. We're going to need a box of baby arugula. I'm going to spread that onto my serving platter first. And I'm going to combine my arugula with my thinly shaved fennel. Just gonna sprinkle it over the top first. And then use your hands to toss the arugula with the fennel. So that way, with every bite, you get a little bit of arugula and the fennel. Let's add our roasted beets next. And just spread them throughout the salad. And now let's get out our burrata cheese. I'll take it out of the container. I absolutely love burrata cheese. It's just so creamy and so delicious. And adding this burrata cheese to the salad is super easy. You just want to break it open, section it, and just drop it right over the beets. Next, we'll add our citrus on top. And this just adds such a beautiful pop of color to this salad. Top the salad with chopped pistachios. And I just love the crunchiness that these add. And then do you remember the fennel greens from earlier in the video? We're going to grab that and garnish the top of the salad. It just makes it look extra beautiful. Just gives it a little something special. And when you're ready to enjoy the salad, give the salad dressing one last mix and then pour it all over the top. And that's it for my roasted beet and burrata salad. Not only is the salad incredibly gorgeous, it's also so delicious. Let's dig in to enjoy. I love to get a little bit of everything. The roasted beets pair so well with the blood orange, a little bit of the creamy burrata, and this dressing is so incredible. It's zesty, and then you get the crunchy pistachios. It's an incredible combination for sure. Now that was one flavorful bite. I absolutely love the combination of flavors and textures. It's such a fantastic salad year-round, but especially for springtime. I love the earthiness of the beets combined with the refreshing citrus, that creamy burrata cheese. This is a really great salad to go with some chicken, steak, or even some grilled pork chops. Let's go in for another bite, grab a little bit of fennel.